Yo, welcome back to another video. So today I just want to do a quick recap on my losses. I took 2 trades today, and I took both of the losses to my chin. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I know that some of you guys are great traders, but you guys are not good loss takers. You don't accept your losses, and um when you wait for your setup, you would wait very patiently, and you would have a lot of these criteria to enter your trade. And once you're in a trade where you're like, okay, this is an A plus setup, you expect to win 100% of the time. And when it doesn't go your way, you would get tilted, and you would blow up all your accounts. So yeah, and that's just the truth. And today I took 2 losses. I wanted to take the market short. I took the first short here. There was the idea right here. There's more to this idea, but this was the zone that I wanted to take short from, and targeting, these lows. So that's the first short I take, which was a very good trade in my opinion. I would take this any given day. The second trade was this short right here. And with the same idea, the same target, I would target these lows. I would target these lows first, since we're already up here, right? I would target these lows first, and then targeting these lows. But obviously, both trades did not work. And I showed up to the market very early today, and I waited all this time, right, for the market to show me what I want to see, and an A plus setup for me. And sometimes A plus setup can just fail, you know. And that's just the way it is. That's how the market is. And you gotta learn how to be a good loser to be a winner in this market. Not even this market, but in the market in general. So let's do a quick recap on why I wanted to take the market short here and here. Okay. So with the market opening today, we had a drive up, right? We got above overnight high, which is right here, 670. We got above it, and again, we stayed above it for like a good, not even 5 minutes, I think. And we sold off with aggressions, right? We retest overnight high, and we failed to hold above. So at this point, um, I was thinking the market it just doesn't like to trade above overnight high, and at this point, I was looking for shorts, but um, I wasn't looking to enter yet because I was not sure what the market was doing, because like it was super slow in my opinion. On the order flow, it was just slow, so I was not really interested in entering short yet. But I was, you know, my thesis was forming. I wanted to see market go lower in general, so I waited until market break this low, and I waited market break this low, broke here. We broke the previous day high, we broke midnight open, and we came back and retest this. The first retest, I did not want to enter short because I thought we could just reclaim here on the previous day high, right? So just like the same thesis as market could not trade above overnight high, and it trades lower, right? The same thesis applies to here. What I was thinking during the live is that market broke down under previous day low, but it fails to trade under. So right now what it's doing is broke right here, comes back at 554, and is doing a quick reclaim into the balance, into the intraday range. So hence why I did not take this short when it first came back to this level I had, right? So I wanted to see it completely disrespect You know, I want to see it completely respect previous day high and trade under. So we had another leg down, which is good. This is what I wanted to see. And slowly I was after this break, I was like, okay, I want to get short now. It's either gonna be short here if we're like really aggressive, sell off, or I'm just gonna wait for it to come back to this zone and short here with a stop above. And that's what I did. I waited for that. So my first trade, I shorted here. When I saw a bunch of buyers came in right here on the order flow delta volume chart. So you can see market sold off. A bunch of sellers are here. You know, we came back here. We saw a huge amount of buying coming in with the same like at the same area as a huge bunch of selling previously. You know, previous area. And this is, to me, this is an amazing setup, right? So I took a short here with a stop, I think 30 points, something around here. And I saw these buyers are getting trapped, and I was hoping for these sellers to protect this area and to send the market lower. This is an amazing setup that I took. A plus setup for me. But, you know, sometimes A plus setup doesn't mean it's gonna work. And I got stopped out pretty quick here, I believe. And that was the first trade I took, and it was minus 30 points. So that's the first trade. Second trade, with the same. I wanted to also short because you know, with going into the day, I saw this first 30 minute of the day. So this is the first 30 minute of today, and you can see this crazy wick. So I just wanted to see price going lower. So my second short is just right here on this in this red zone, and the zone I got from it is from this previous rejection here. We respected here, bounce, right, broke under, reject here, and then came back, reject here, and it was like low-key a low volume node area too that I was looking at. So that's just my next zone that I want to short. And I saw when price comes back to this zone, I saw this buying here again, and they got absorbed. So with the same thesis as this one, I was like, okay, maybe this is more buyers getting trapped, and I'm just gonna take a short. I took a short here with a 25 point stop, I believe, and I got cooked. I think I was up 20 points at some point, and then we saw these sellers came in, but then they did not do anything much for price, and we just got pumped into my stop. So I ended today with negative 55 points, and I was able to walk away after taking a very two good setups that I would usually take, and I'm happy with my results today and executions. Yeah, and then after that, just call it the day early for Friday, and I had to go pick up some medicine for my mom and do a few errands, stuff like that. But I just came back to the chart and I saw the same zone that I shorted. It became a good zone to trade off of. So it came back, you know, price came back, bounce on it, and then make a new high. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's gonna be a quick recap video regarding taking losses, and waiting for your A plus setup is good, but also accepting your losses is also a crucial skill to have if you want to be a better trader. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys.